Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects made with some of the dies from the June 2024 release. I have some other videos already for this month that I will list down below in the description box in case you missed them, but I have some new fun projects to share with you today. I'll share all the dies I used. I'll show you my projects, take some measurements. If you have any questions, please let me know. As always, my referral link will be down below in the description box. If you click on that and place an order at scrapdivadesigns.com, I do get a commission. So thank you so much for everyone who uses that link. It doesn't affect your cost. And don't forget that you can always use my coupon code Strawberry Cream at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com to save 10%. All right, so let me share with you the first project. So this one is using a die set called the Rainbow Shopping Bag, and it comes with these two sets of dies. So easy to put together. I love Erica's shopping bags. They're just always so fun and versatile, and they come with really cute like accessories and touches to make them unique. So this is the main piece, and this you will cut out twice to make your shopping bag, and that's all you need really is to put the bag together, is just two of these. There are glue tabs on this end, or you know, if you have two pieces, there'll be two glue tabs, and then you just glue them together and you have a bag that comes together so quickly. This is the side here that has a gusset, and I'll show you how it looks when it's put together. And then it has this part here, this whole line here folds over to reinforce the top of your bag. And it also comes with the rainbow part, and that's this. And this you will put, well, it cuts out, I think it's seven different like arcs, and you'll put that, if you want to, on your bag to decorate it into a rainbow. And then it comes with a bow die set too. All these pieces make a bow. I haven't used that yet, but it makes a really pretty eyelet edge, and it's got detailing, embossing on the on the inside of the bow loop and the tails. And then there are layering pieces for those as well too. So I just haven't gotten to them. The projects I made, I didn't think needed a bow, so I didn't use that. All right, so let me show you the first one I made. And this is how it came out. Isn't that adorable? As you can see, I did use the rainbow for the decoration on this bag. You can put it so that the arcs go all the way down to the bottom. I just kind of started out not at the bottom for whatever reason. I guess I wasn't paying attention, but it looks fine if you have a space down below. So I did that. I made this very summery since it is summer now. I have this like beach ball kind of paper that I cut out twice, like I said, and then just glued them on each side, one there and one on this side too. So, and then it just comes together. You fold the bottom flaps over each other and glue those, and you have a bag. And I like the score lines on this bag because they're dotted, so it makes the folding and the scoring go really, really easily. If you've ever struggled with like a gusset, this makes it so easy to put together. And like I was telling you, the top flap folds over and you glue it on the inside, and that doubles up the top of your bag, so it makes it really nice and strong. And it does punch out the holes already, so I like to just go ahead and cut out 2 lengths of ribbon and tie them on the inside on each side, and then you have straps for your little bag. And it's nice if you use double-sided paper because then the inside of your bag looks nice as well. And then I just added a little piece of ephemera here that I cut out with a die, raised it up a little bit on some foam tape. And yeah, that is my little bag. So let me measure this for you. It's such a great size. You can make these really easily and quickly. It measures top to bottom. It's about 4 5/8. And then side to side, it is almost 2 inches. I guess is that the only measurements I have for you? Oh, I guess the depth is 2 inches, sorry. And then side to side, it's about 1 3/4 when it's like almost all stretched out. So really cute. You can, cut out the rainbow part out of multiple different color papers, and then you'll have you know, several rainbows that you could put together, because you'll have, like, you know, if you use the yellow big piece and then the blue second to biggest piece, then you'll have, you know, the other ones left over, so you can make it into a different rainbow. So yeah, I just use coordinating papers to go with this paper, and it's just such a cute little summery bag, I thought. And then the next one I made, I showed this pink, in quotes, butcher paper that I got at Aldi. I showed this on my haul last week, and it's not really pink. It's more like craft brown with like a pink tint to it, but I used that to make this next one. And it die cut really, really easily, and it looks like a nice brown paper bag, but with like a little twist to it. I think the color just warms it up a little bit, the pink. And yeah, it die cut fine, and it scored fine. So if you picked up that paper too, or you're thinking about getting it, again, I got it at Aldi. It's called Pink Butcher Paper, and there's a ton on that roll, so it'll last for a long time. So anyway, I did use those same rainbow pieces on this die set. I didn't use all of them, I don't think. No, I did, but you know what I did? I cut off some at the bottom to make it lower. See, you can see this rainbow is higher than the other one. And even though I did raise this one up a little bit, this one I did raise it lower, so I did cut the bottoms off of it. So you can vary the size of your rainbow. You don't have to stick to, you know, having them all meet at the bottom. You can have them come off the bottom of your project and then cut them. So that's what I did. And I used like this kind of like acetate sticker that says Good Vibes Only on there. I thought the colors went perfectly with this rainbow. And then I used this charm that I picked up at Michael's recently and just added a navy blue star jump ring to the handles. I used some purple sheer ribbon on this one to make the handles. And yeah, it's super cute, and I like how it looks like a paper bag. So there isn't obviously a different pattern on the inside of this one, but I still think it looks really, really cute. So those are my two projects with the rainbow shopping bag. And of course, there are so many ways you could style that. Like, you know, you don't need to make the rainbow part, and there are other examples on the product page for scrapdivadesigns.com. I will list all these products individually down below in the description box too, with links to them, so you can see them right away. All right, so let's move on to the next die set I use. This is called the Fringed Star Bundle, and I'm loving all of these fringed sets that Erica's coming out with. This one, of course, is stars, so it comes with large, medium, and small. So there's the medium, the small, and the large. So those are the base stars. They have stitching detail, and then it comes with the fringe piece for each size as well. And you can cut those out as many times as you want, and then cut across the fringe to vary the height of the fringe. So you'll have different layers peeking out from behind each other. So really fun. You know, you can change how you cut them across. I've been using pinking shears to cut my fringes across, which looks really cute. You could just do it straight. You could do it at an angle. You could use other decorative scissors. It's just really fun. So I just made a bunch of embellishments. I didn't put them on anything yet, but let me show you one of the bigger ones. So this is the big size, and I did cut out, let's see, okay, the bottom piece is that red pattern paper, and then I cut out 3 different fringe pieces, and like I said, I cut them across with my pinking shears at different varying heights, so you could see the paper in or behind it. And then I added some stickers onto the front of this and just a tiny little enamel dot. And it's just so cute, right? You've got stitching detail on the base die or on the base star. This one from top to bottom, the largest one, is just about 2 inches. So it should be that, yeah, side to side as well. So a cute little embellishment, I thought, you know, just to have on hand. And then another large one I made looks similar, but those are the papers I use for that. And then I have some medium ones too. Here's one of the medium ones. And this one measures about 1 and 4, a little bit over 1 5/8. And these I have 3 layers of fringe as well, and more sticker and a enamel dot too. These are all kind of like summery patriotic papers. And there's another medium one. So cute, right? And then the smaller ones, I didn't add little words to them. Oh wait, I have one more medium one. I forgot I made 3 medium ones. So this is a medium one, another one. And then these are the small ones. I didn't add words because they're just a little bit too small. I didn't actually add any embellishments to these because I figured I'll do that when I use them. But these are about 1¼ inches. So they're so cute, right? So there's a small, and let me just show you all of them together, a medium and a large, so you get an idea of the different sizes. All the sizes come together, but I love how you get the 6 dies, but you know, there's so many different ways you can combine the layers, so use as many or as little as you want. If you don't want to make a fringe, you could just use that star by itself, and I've done that a lot with the fringe balloon birthday balloon set that's also in this month's release, and I'll show you some more uses of that. But anyway, that is the fringe star bundle. Okay, let's move on to the next project. And this one I used a few different die sets. I used this one. This is the star nesting set. So this one comes with all of these stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different stars with rounded edges, and it cuts out a little frame for each of the star too, which is really nice. You can make it into a shaker if you want. I tend to avoid shakers if they're too narrow like this. They just get too stretched out for me, but you know, if you want to do that, go for it. And then it does cut out the star on the inside as well, so you can use that as well as the outline on, you know, on your project. So there are those different stars in the star nesting set. I also used the fringed birthday balloons, which I just mentioned, and I used just one of the dies. I didn't want to make fringed balloons this time. I just wanted to use a smaller balloon. So all I used was this one, the small balloon from that set. And then from the party words, I used the word celebrate and the shadow. So let me show you. I made a birthday card, or actually, yeah, it's a birthday card. It says celebrate, but you could use it for other occasions, I guess, besides birthday. But with balloons, it kind of looks like a birthday card to me. But anyway, so I used the largest star there, and I cut it out of this aqua shimmer paper as well as the sun paper. So when I glued the sun paper onto my card base, then I glued the frame around that. Because you can't really put this on top of the star itself because it's it goes around it. So you just kind of have to put them on separately, if that makes sense. So I did that, and then I cut out 3 different balloons from shimmer paper as well, and I added some highlights with a white gel pen as well as around the base of the balloon. And then I used the strings again from the Market Stand mini album. This is an older release die. This one comes with balloons, and it also comes with strings for the balloons in different like curly shapes and stuff. So I've been using that for my balloon projects, and I think they work out really good. So I cut that out 3 times out of some like pearl gray shimmer paper for the string of the balloons. And then there's Celebrate from the Party Word set, and I cut that out of white glitter paper and then that same aqua shimmer paper, and I put that all up on foam tape so it would go over the strings nicely. And yeah, just put different layers of different papers in the background that coordinated and made it into a card. So I think it came out really, really cute. Let me measure this star for you. Again, this is the largest star. So this one is about 4¼ maybe a tad bit more. And yeah, the party word Celebrate is about 2½ inches by about a little bit bigger than ½ inch, maybe 5/8. Make sure I got that right. Yeah, 4¼ Okay, and the small balloon measures 1 and 4/5. So really cute card, I think. And on the inside, I just added a die cut and then just a cut apart that says "Enjoy the moment." So, like I said, birthday, but I guess you could use it for other, occasions too. Anything you're celebrating. So I think this came out really, really cute, and yeah, I just love it. So I think those are all of the projects I have to share with you. I hope you like these celebration and party and gift giving projects. This month's release has been so fun with all the different celebrations that you can, honor and create for. And yeah, having a lot of fun. So I'll have more projects coming up. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. All the information will be down below. And I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Thank you again for using my referral link and for my coupon code. It helps me and my channel out. All right, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.